Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the devices. Make sure your iPhone is on the same 5 GHz network and running a supported iOS. Once done, open Safari and navigate to the Mirror website. This reduces latency and avoids app downloads. Next, enable Screen Recording in Control Center and grant microphone if the site requests audio. Doing that now prevents interruptions. You're taking these steps to ensure a stable, low-lag connection and to allow the website to capture your screen securely. You'll now initiate the Mirror. Tap Connect or Start and accept any prompts to start broadcast. This authorizes the website to receive your screen stream. Make sure to choose the appropriate display mode, full screen for presentations or windowed for multitasking, and pick a resolution that balances quality versus bandwidth. Also set the audio source to iPhone or microphone depending on whether you want app sound. Once configured, the site should show a live preview. Monitor frame rate and adjust settings to reduce stutter. To finish, stop the broadcast from Control Center and use the site's disconnect button so the session closes cleanly. This prevents background streaming. If you encounter lag, lower the resolution, close background apps, or move closer to the router, switching between 5 GHz and 2. 4 GHz can also help if interference occurs. If nothing works, restart Safari, clear the site data, or reboot your iPhone. This flushes stuck permissions or hung network sockets and usually restores normal mirroring quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.